Hey guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video, we will see how to create iMessage groups in an iPhone. Just like how we have groups in a WhatsApp application, similarly how to create a groups in your iMessage in an iPhone. It's a very simple trick. Let's start the video. So here, to begin with, open the application. Once you open the application, you can go to any category and open. So here, go to all messages, nothing matters. Okay, open that. Here the next tab is the create new message. So here, go ahead and tap on the create new message. Once you do that, you get just a normal interface, normally how we send a message, okay, to and the typing box here. So now here the trick. In a to or in a recipient box or in a recipient tab, you have to add multiple contacts. Remember? So all the people which you want to create a new group, just add a contacts here. So I'm adding here. So if you see here, instead of a single person, I am adding a multiple contacts here. And here, once you added all the contacts, okay, with whom you want to create a group, now come to the typing box here, okay, and here enter your text, anything you want to add, and just click on send. Now once you send a message, that will be sent to all the people in a single group. So now here is your group in iMessage in a iPhone. It's a simple trick to create a group in your iMessage in a iPhone. Now also if you see here, you can change the group icon, okay, or a DP or profile pic of a group. You can add multiple icons, images as well. You can change a group name also. You can rename the group here and do multiple things and customize as well. So this is the way of creating a iMessage group in an iPhone in a simple step. So I hope you like this video. I hope it is a helpful video for you, and if yes, please give a like. Please subscribe for more videos on iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solutions. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.